driven professional who has mastered the external world, you know there's a deeper level of mastery calling you. But right now, while you're successful on paper, you're experiencing a disconnect between your outer achievements and your inner fulfillment. And I bet that to address this, you've read countless spiritual books and attended workshops. You've tried meditation. You've hired coaches and therapists. You explored healing modalities. But these approaches haven't created the transformation you seek, because most spiritual practices are either too esoteric to be practical or too superficial to create real change. You end up with fragmented practices that don't integrate your life into it. So the issue isn't a lack of spiritual knowledge. It's the spiritual seekers often get lost between esoteric teachings and practical application, never finding a way to integrate both worlds. Instead, what you need is what I like to call integrated energy mastery. This is a systematic approach that combines military precision, martial arts discipline, and spiritual wisdom to create tangible transformation. This isn't about a vague spiritual concepts. It's about developing practical mastery that enhances every area of your life. And that means that you're able to transfer spiritual concepts into practical tools, build systematic energy mastery practices, leverage ancient wisdom for modern success, and create integrated success across all dimensions.
Imagine finally achieving enlightenment in stillness and silence that are talked about by the gurus. Once you know how, it is achievable and repeatable if you have the work ethic and a heart of a shaman. Discover the potential of postures of power and how these forces can be applied to a multitude of goals, not only yoga and Qi Gong. Warriors and martial artists will understand what true internal power is, how to cultivate it, what it can and cannot achieve, and how this power can be used to supplement meditation and magical work. This is a curriculum free of belief and dogmatic faith. It is taught in an engineering style where results are predictable if the work is done. Finally achieve what is so often only talked about. Bring in a new dimension to your life, providing you with new skills to be able to apply in your practice. Especially useful if energy work is part of your treatment. Iron Shaman will personally train you to be an extremely powerful energy healer to heal yourself and others. By using powerful modalities of energy mastery and gaining a demonstrable telekinetic influence over the inner and outer elements. These are just some of the many things that you will master training with Iron Shaman of Integrated Energy Mastery Institute.